Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the coolest vanilla cake batter. Starting off your vanilla cake batter, you need to cream your butter. Here we have 1 stick or half a cup. Once your butter is nice and creamy, you add your 1 cup of white sugar. Scrape down the sides so that the butter, the sugar, can be made into one. Once the butter and sugar have incorporated together, you add your 2 eggs. Constantly scrape the sides. At this point, you add your vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. While that's mixing, you're going to add your 2 teaspoons of baking powder into your flour. Now you're gonna alternate the 2 cups of flour and the 3/4 cup of milk into the batter that you already have going on in your mixer. So first, let's start off with some flour. Some milk. Some flour, some milk, some flour, some milk, Why do we alternate flour and milk into a cake? We do this so we won't get any clumps of flour, and we make sure that everything is well incorporated. Ta-da! It's done. If you don't have this machine, it's okay. You can still make this recipe by using a hand mixer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Chef Jellies with an S.